Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the atmosphere from day to night or from night to day. So as you can see, I changed it to like this night mode. You're going to just select this over here next to the server icon, and as you can see, it turned from night to day, and if you want to turn it back, you're just going to select it again. It's also going to look different when you're in the lobby. It doesn't show that much when you're in the actual game, but it does show on the runway and on the lobby. So yeah, that is it. I'm trying to wait until we get into the lobby, but I feel like there's going to be a lot of players. I'll just end the video here. You should try it out for yourself. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.